morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Got a very exciting video for you today on a really nice truck. It's a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. The truck is getting a 4-inch Cognito lift kit. This is the performance kit that comes with the upper control arms. It comes with the steering braces, the idle arm and pitman arm support braces, and it comes with the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks. This is a great upgrade from their standard kit, even though their standard kit is amazing as well. We are also adding in SuspensionMAXX torsion keys. This is a wonderful add-on to any suspension kit that we sell up here. I can set these keys anywhere from -3 to +3 inches of height or lower, and I can set them at 0 if I want to. So this improves your ride at 0. I can take your factory keys out of your truck, put these keys in, and not raise them at all, and it does ride better. So I can explain that later on if you want to. Just shoot me a call, no problem. We're about to get this truck pulled in and get started. I'm about to go over what the outside looks like with you. Here's our beautiful truck. Like I said, 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Can't really beat the truck. It looks amazing. It has that silver color on it. You can put any kind of wheel and tire on this truck that you want to, and it's going to look amazing. I did leave out the tires and wheels that this truck's getting in there. It's getting a set of 20x9 weld Granada wheels in the black and milled finish. These wheels look amazing. We're pairing those up with a 37-12-50-20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. This is an amazing tire. I love it. It's a hybrid between a mud tire and an all-terrain tire. Has a good 45,000 mile warranty on it. Toyo is an amazing tire brand, has a 45-day ride guarantee, but it's gonna look great on this truck. Like I said, we're going up with that 4-inch Cognito. We're gonna throw the keys on it from SuspensionMAXX. It's gonna ride amazing. It's gonna look level. Everything's gonna look great. Fox Reservoir 2.0 shocks. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it pulled in there right now and get started on it. Guys that came and got their trucks done today are both from out of state, and we were trying to get both trucks back on the road, so we're going to do it. Both trucks are actually done, and I'm filming them right now. This is the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This one got the 4-inch Cognito lift kit with the SuspensionMAXX keys raised up just a little bit, and we got a little bit bigger block in the back for them too. This truck is on a 37-12-50-20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tire. Looks amazing. 20x9 weld Granada wheels. They also look great, and like I said, that lift kit tire and wheel combination on this truck is excellent. The truck looks phenomenal. I'm about to get out and show you what it turned out like. Our beautiful truck, 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. The lighting is excellent today. All the trees are green again. This is beautiful. Summertime's coming, my favorite time of year. Nothing better than a brand new, beautiful truck to start the summer with. We did a 4-inch Cognito lift kit. This is the performance kit. Here's our beautiful cross member. You'll have that on every kit that they sell, the standard kit, the performance, or the upgraded ones. Axle angles are amazing on this truck. They look beautiful. Never will have any driveline problems from that. The performance kit does come with the upper control arms from Cognito. They're amazing. They have the alpha ball joint inside. This is probably the best aftermarket ball joint we could sell you. We did the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks on this kit. They actually come in the performance version of the kit. And also you get the steering braces, your idler arm and pitman arm support brackets right there. You can hardly see them when they're on the truck, but they are amazing. They're a good add-on to add to this lift kit because it does add support for your steering. Long term, you're not going to wear those parts out as fast if you have those. The wheel is the 20x9 Weld Off-Road Granada. It's a black and milled wheel. It looks a lot like the old BMF Novocaine wheel, if you guys remember that from 15 or 20 years ago. It was one of the most popular wheels. BMF ended up going out of business and Weld just took this design and made it theirs. It looks amazing though. And it pairs up really nicely with the 37 12 50 20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro. This is our hybrid mud tire. This has the characteristics of a RT Trail or a Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's very smooth, quiet, and it lasts a long time. But this tire does have the characteristics of a mud tire where it has a little bit more noise than an all-terrain. I don't think there's anything else besides the noise that I can say that's that you won't get out of this tire that you'll get out of the others. This is just a really aggressive looking tire. I love it. It's my favorite tire right now. So I definitely think that helps the truck overall look very, very nice. The last thing that we did on this truck to complete the build is a 6-piece mud flap delete kit. I know that we use the sharptruck.com mud flap delete kit on this one. I personally like the way it looks better. Seems like the texture is a little bit better and the shape is perfect, dead on to what GM's is. We also added a SuspensionMAXX torsion key to this build. It's those red keys you see right there. We were able to raise the ride height up to about 5 inches of lift on this one to clear the little bit wider wheel in there without cutting so much on the truck. The SuspensionMAXX key allowed us to do that, and it added a little bit of a ride improvement to it. So we actually custom fitted a 1-inch bigger block in the back of this truck than what came in this kit originally, just to make the truck level after we raised the front end up. So this is a 4-inch lift kit. It is safe to raise this kit up to 6 inches with just what we have here. We only raised it to 5, so technically this is a 5-inch lifted truck, but this sells as a 4-inch lift kit from Cognito. If you have any questions about this build, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. I'm also going to attach a quote right behind this clip to show you what this exact build would cost if you called for it. I'll put the tires in there, the wheels, the lift kit, the mud flap deletes, and the SuspensionMAXX key, so you know what all that would cost together. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number here, like I said, 678-994-9180. We're in McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire. And my name is Jake, and I appreciate everybody watching.